My fourth technology is Lalilo, which is free, but you can also pay for an upgrade. My students had a school code that they put in. This is something created a class the week before we were out of school. And I thought it was just something that would tide the kids over. I didn't realize we were going to be out this long. So each student went on and there's a placement test. So some of them completed it and some of them didn't. So you can see like they did the letter M and they were successful, and S, and it tells you what they did. So a lot of kids got through a lot of work. This guy didn't go on at all. So he doesn't have any like diagonal lines. That means they did it and they accomplished it. So if we go to tougher patterns, like this young lady, long A, she's still learning. So she wasn't able to either identify a long A word or spell a long A, like an AI vowel team word. And then this one says 83% mastery of 5 exercises. So he did pretty well, but he's still not done. Once he's completed it, it'll get the diagonal lines. I can make assignments. They have sight word work, word family work, and comprehension. Now, when we first started this, those things you had to pay for. So as the pandemic got worse, then Lalilo like upgraded everybody for free. So in the original free was really just phonics and sight words. You can print a report, which is pretty interesting. So if I want Mrs. T report. Now this is going to be pretty embarrassing because you're going to see that my kids are not going on it. So we were on spring break, so that'll be their defense and my cop out. We were on spring break, so that's why there was 2 minutes spent and 2 exercises completed. So I would imagine, oh, this one spent 71 minutes and 48 exercises. Look at him. He gets a prize when I see him again. So, all right. So this guy has done nothing. And that's part of the problem that I'm finding with my students. It's kind of all or nothing. But this was spring break, so they didn't have to do anything. Except for I know some of these kids wouldn't do anything regardless. So I could print this report. I can have a parent report and I could send it to the parent if we were in school. Next year, what I plan on doing is having it be like a part of my daily routine, especially if I have more of a resource room. So I would use as my standards, ensure all students have access to technology and connectivity necessary to participate in the authentic and engaging learning opportunities. And I would use engage education stakeholders in developing and adapting a shared vision for using technology to improve student success informed by the learning sciences. Because you do get like pretty nice reports on this, so you can see exactly where they're having a hard time. So I hope somebody can use this.